Yes, welcome to my channel, and if you are a new member, please don't forget to subscribe, comment and turn on the notification so that you don't miss any lesson. Okay, so without wasting time, today we are going to solve some questions about past simple tense. It is intermediate level. So it doesn't matter whether your level is not intermediate or it's upper intermediate or it's pre-intermediate. All these questions, I'm pretty sure that you have some clue about them. Great. Here we go now. As you can see here, we have some questions. I want you to read careful and try out before I explain to you. Now look at the first question. It says, I dash dinner at 6 o'clock yesterday. Now if you understand the past form of it, let me change it to red so that you can see it well. Good. The past form of it, tell me, what is the past form of it? Okay, so because it is yesterday, we say I ate. Okay, great. Here we go. Question number 2. Dash Helen dash to work. Yes, she dash dash. Now remember, as I told you, this is a past, so remember that past, and this is a question, so first it's did Helen. Okay, now this is drive. Now tell me, so because we have already used past form, now we are going to use what? Main verb. Okay, so did Helen drive to work? Yes, she. Okay, yes, she did. Great. My neighbor dash a new car last week. Now if you understand past form of by, which is, okay, my neighbor bought, sorry, this is O, okay, they dash to Italy on their last summer holiday. Past form of where of go is, great, thank you. Dash they dash at the beach. No, they dash dash. So as I told you, if you're asking a question, remember we always use did, they, okay, because we have already used past form, so here it will be did they swim, okay, at the beach? No, they, because it is negative, so we must use negative form of past. No, they didn't. My family and I dash a comedy movie last night. Past form of see. Now this one is easy. So perfect. Next one is, first we dash exercise and then we dash some water. Tell me, it's easy, right? We did exercise and then we, what did we do then? We drank. Okay. Suddenly, the animal jumped and what happened then? Bite my hand. What time? Okay. Dash you dash this morning. Told you for a question. What do we do? What time? Okay. Did you? Okay. Let me tell you, if you use did, the next verb should be in the main form. We write the Wright brothers, okay, what did they do? The first airplane in 1903. So what did they do? They flew. Okay, I hope you're enjoying. Let's move to the next one. I think I hear. So tell me, what is the past form of hear? Okay, I had. Okay, great. When I was 10 years old, past form of break is good. My arm, it's really okay. Past form of hurt is hurt. Same, it doesn't change. The police, okay, what did the police do? Is it catch? No, the police caught, okay, all three of the bank robbers last week. How many times? Okay, look, it's a question. So as I told you, how many times did you, okay, and the past form of read is read, but you write same. Unfortunately, I forget. No, unfortunately, what did I do? I forgot to, as I told you, you have already used the past form, so I forgot to bring. Okay, next one, easy exercise. Here I just want you to write the past form. Past form of take is good. Took, drink. Come on, before I write, you have to write. Okay, write. Good. Give. Okay, think. Maybe, but it's easy to. Have. Had. Go. Okay. Work. Perfect. Buy. I told you this one is the second time you are seeing it. Try. You see? Great. Let's move the next one. Hope you are enjoying. Don't forget to leave comment. Okay, write these questions in the past. Okay, I want you to write these questions in the past form. Okay, let's see. Does she buy the newspaper in the shop over there? Now, past, it should start or begin with did. Okay, she buy. Okay, so the remaining is same. Okay, the only thing which changes here is instead of does we use did. Okay, do they do their homework in the evening? Now instead of do, because we want to be it in the past form, did they, okay, did they do their homework in the evening? So here it's same. Perfect. Do they have a good holiday? As I told you, what it changes now is did they have a good holiday? Okay. Do they find an animal in the forest? Now instead of do, because it is past, did they find blah 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 blah, same. Okay. Is it dark when she gets up in the morning? Now instead of is, you understand the past form of is Was. So was it, okay, dark? Great. Blah 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 blah, same. Okay, so don't forget to tell me how many questions did you get right in each section. Next one, write questions for these, okay, answers. Now here you have some answers. I want you to write some questions. I went to the park. Now look, park is a place, so our questions should begin with where, excuse me, did you go? Time expression maybe yesterday. Okay, my friend arrived at 5 o'clock. Now what time? Okay, here you have two choices, what time or when did, okay, when did your friend arrive? Okay, he said hello. So here, what did, okay, he say? Then he said hello. The film, okay, started at 7. We are talking about time, so without wasting time, you can either say what time, okay, or okay, when. You see, as this question, okay, when did the film start? Okay, when did the film start? Perfect, good. We went on excursion. Now look, we are talking about a place, so automatically is where did, okay, you go? Perfect. She visited her aunt. Okay, now we're talking about a person, so who did she visit? Okay, my grandparents live in E3. We are talking about place, so sorry, come on, I can write here where, okay, did, okay, your grandparents live. Yes, they lived in E3. Perfect. Okay, let me see how much do we have. Yes, this is the last one. Great. Write questions in the past with these words. When, okay, let me have now here a different. When, start English, you. Now tell me past, as I told you, when, so it will be, okay, oh sorry, let me start it perfectly. When did, okay, you study English? Okay, what do yesterday she? Okay, what do yesterday she? So it will be what, okay, did she do yesterday? Okay, like the film He. Now it's a question, remember. Did he, okay, like the did he like the film? Yes, he did, or no. Live in Paris, your parents, okay. So here, what is the question? Did your parents, okay, did your parents, okay, live in Paris, okay, walk down the road they, okay. Look, remember it's still past. Did they, okay, walk down the road? Yes, they did. No, they didn't. So what I would like to say to you, thank you for watching, okay, and don't forget to subscribe and comment. I love you all. Okay, thank you and see you in the next video. Bye bye for now. See you later. Love you. Okay, as you can see here, we had enough questions today, so don't forget to practice as much as you can, and if you have a question, do not forget to drop in the comment section. Okay, bye bye for now.